Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to add dual clock widget on the lock screen of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to add dual clock widget on the lock screen of your iPhone, first of all, just open the lock screen, then tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen. Then enter your lock screen passcode. After you do that, then tap on Customize at the bottom of the screen. Now from here you will find the option of Add Widgets. Now just tap on Add Widget. Now under the Add Widget section, just scroll down and tap on the clock icon. Now from here just swipe to the left side and select City Digital. Now from here just select the clock widget, then tap on it and select the region for the first clock. For example, I will select USA. Now for this second region, just tap on the clock widget one more time to add it to the other side. Now just tap on the widget and select the region for your other clock. For example, I will select UAE. Now after you do that, you will add dual clock widget on the lock screen of your iPhone. Now just tap on the empty space on your lock screen. Now from here, you can drag this widget to the top, just like that. But remember, if you drag this widget to the top, you will remove the extended clock on the lock screen, just like that. Now, once you're satisfied with your widget, just tap on Done to save. And this is how you can add dual clock widget on the lock screen of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.